Hi, welcome to MarginDesk.AI tutorials. This tutorial is going to cover setting up your sales organization. Let's get started. Let's log in. Let's start by configuring our account configuration. You can do that in account configuration here, or you can go to your avatar icon and go to account settings here. There are a few quick things to look at whenever you log into your account. Your margin thresholds, this should be what you're targeting on each deal, which is relevant to your sales organization. The Approval Levels tab is where you can customize the names of each of your salesperson roles, as well as any discount approvals that you want to assign to them. So all the way down to a sales team member, to managers, geography, and so on. On the right is the system level role name, and on the left what you want to call that. So we could say sales rep, if that's what you call them. If you call them a sales executive. Also, if you are using this in a different language, you could then put in whatever the label is for this role in whatever language that you are using. The Deal Status Config tab allows you to customize the names of each level of your deal. If you have resellers and distributors as part of your sales motion, you can enable or disable them here, and then that will enable it in the menus on the left so that you can configure your sales organization, resellers, and distributors as well. So once you turn these on here, they appear in the menus on the left, and you can then configure them if you are an account owner level. In the Advanced tab, you can enable value-based pricing, which allows you to set the price of any product in the deal and override the price settings that you've done in your product setup. To add or edit your team members, just go to Team, and then either click Invite New Member, edit directly from the team members you already have. Double click in the row, allows you to see what they're set up as in terms of their sales regions, territories, divisions, etc., and what level of permissions they have inside of the solution. In this case, a sales team member with no visibility to gross margin and costs, and they're not an approver, would only get this one setting. So this is a full row-based access module. Setting up your sales organization is very easy. You just go into Sales Organization on the left, and then manage your geographies, regions, and territories. In this case, I have 3 geographies set up. I can easily create a new geography for, let's say, South America. And then we can create regions inside of that geography. Then we can create territories inside of that region. And assign a territory manager. An approver. So the approver and manager can be different people. Create the new territory. And now I have Lima set up as a territory in Peru. The resellers and distributors config is very similar. Let's go ahead and create a distributor. Fill in the details and put in their discount rate. They'll immediately start showing up in your pricing as well as your deal management. And that's how to configure the sales organization.